I just grew up fabricating. I did it with my father and I loved it. And it was just a passion I had from a young age. And I kind of wanted to get into a program that allowed me to do hands-on work.
I was going to an English class and I looked into a lab and I was like, what is going on in there?
I was able to do a tour through Pitt Community College and I got to see their facility.
A professor approached me and he's like, are you curious? I'm like, yeah, I'm curious. Do you like working with your hands? I'm like, yes. Like, are you creative? I'm like, yes. Come on, let me show you. He gave me my safety glasses and we walked into the lab and my life has changed ever since.
I was able to get the internship with Denso, working in the industrial engineering department. One of the benefits was being able to transfer from Pitt Community College to ECU. The process was very easy, lost little to any credits, which was great. So then I was offered a job as an engineer within the industrial engineering department.
Denso was looking for qualified people in the area, and one of the managers from Denso came out and gave out business cards for people getting ready to graduate. And I hung on to it until I graduated and gave them a call. I had an interview less than 2 months after I graduated and got the job immediately. I'm a tool maker at Denso, North Carolina. Every skill that I learned in computer integrated machining directly applies to the job that I have now.
And I walked in there and he showed me, this is what you can do with this. You can make an engine, you can do whatever you want. And oh my gosh, how can't you want to do that?